Read the earnings disclaimer carefully. Hello guys, today we will show you some live offers from the United States. If you want, you can easily take these. If you try a little, if you are lucky, you can also get a free offer. This is my Padilled account. Let's go to the search box and see what offers there are. I wrote in the search box United States and search results. These are good United States offers. You can easily take it if you want. There are so many offers for USA people. If you are a non-USA person, this is not for you. You can see the offer according to your country and try to take it. The only country given here is the United States, so it can be taken by the people of the United States. But there is nothing wrong with the live offer. You can take it if you want. I'm not saying that if you get it, you may or may not get it.